Welcome to our channel where we are help you become a successful forex trader. In today's video we will discuss the forex trading and how you can get a start. Forex trading is a buying and selling of the currencies in order to make a profit. It is a highly liquid market with trillions of the dollars beginning trades every day. Currency price are a base of the forex trading. The exchange rate of the currencies pair indicate how much of the code currency is required to purchase one of unit of the base currency. Forex traders use a technical analysis tools such as chart and indicator to identify trading opportunity and make informed trading decisions. There are different types of the charts that the traders can use, including line charts, bar charts, and candlestick charts. Forex trading is done through a trading platform which allows trading access to market and exclude the traders. Traders should also be aware of the economic indicator that can impact the market. This can include GDP, inflation, interest rate, and the employment rates. By understanding the impact of economic indicator on the market, trading can make informed trading decisions. Trader can also use various trading strategies such as scalping, swing trading, and position trading to suit their individual trading style and the goals. Leverage can also be used in forex trading to amplify trading position, but the traders should be aware of the risk involved. Finally, traders should be aware of the market condition and adjust their strategy accordingly. This can include switching to a different currency price or adjusting trading times. In the first video script, the focus is on including the basics of the forex trading to the beginners. The forex starts with a brief introductions to what a forex trading is, how it works, and the importance in the financial market. The video then goes on to discuss the different elements that make up the forex trading, including the currency price, technical analysis tools, trading platforms, and the trading strategies. Additionally, the video touches on the importance of the economic indicator and the market conditions in the market inform the trading decisions. The script is structured in a way that allows for a clear and concise explanation of each topics, will also providing example and visuals to help viewers understand the concept. The script also emphasizes the importance, the discipline, and having to solve trading plan, which are essential to becoming a successful forex trader. The video is designed to be informative and engaging with a mix of the narration, visuals, and on-screen demonstrations. The script is written in a way that is accessible to beginners. but also proved enough to detail to be useful for a more experienced trade who wants to be brushed up on the basics. Overall, the goal of the video script is approved viewers with a solid foundation for understanding forex trading and how to get started. By the end of the video, viewers should have a clear understanding of the key concepts and terminology associated with forex trading, as well as an appreciation for the importance of the discipline and the planning in the successful trading. In the second video script, the focus is on providing a more in-depth look at the forex trading. The video starts with explanation of the visual factors that can influence the forex market, such as macroeconomic indicators, geopolitical events, and the central banks' policies. The video then goes on the decisions the different types of the forex traders, including day traders, swing trader, and the position trader, and the trading strategy they use. Script is designed to be more advanced than the first video, with a focus on providing detailed information and practical tips for trades who are looking to improve their skills. The video covers types such as technical analysis, price action, risk management, and trading psychology, all of which are essential for a becoming successful forex trader. Like the first video, this script structured in a way that allows for a clear and concise explanation of each types, will also providing example and visuals to help viewers understand the concept. The script emphasizes the importance of having a trading plan, management risk, and managementing a disciplined approach to trading. The video is designed to ending informative with a mix of the narration, visual, and on-screen demonstrations. The script is written in a way that's accessible to traders with some experience in forex trading, but also providing enough detail to be useful for more experienced traders who want to deepen their knowledge. Overall, the goal of the video script is provide the viewers with a comprehensive understanding of the forex trading and the skills and the knowledge needed to become a successful trader. By the end of the video, viewers should have a clear understanding of the key contents and the strategies associated with the forex trading, as well as practical tips for improve their trading skill. That's all for today's video. We hope this introduction to the forex trading and how to get started has been helpful. Remember, forex trading requires discipline and a solid trading plan. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more forex trading types and tutorials.